boy's getting some gas right now because the S needs it. So right now I'm gonna be heading over to the bank to go get some money because your boy is officially gonna get his windshield fixed today. I found the company on Instagram that's pretty notable or notorietable, but however you say that word. But they're known for doing windshields and fixing windshields, so I got quoted a good price for it. Safelite wanted like 500 bucks for it. This company's gonna do it for 250, so that's a plus for me. Okay, so there will be no more cracked windshield in this car. Alright guys, so while I was out here, I went and got me my lunch. Got me a tuna sandwich. The guy who's supposed to be coming to fix my window is actually coming earlier, so he's gonna be here at 12:30, so instead of going out with my coworkers, I just said, you know, I'm gonna just get my lunch now. It's already 11:30, so might as well. I'm already starving too.
So I got your new molding too, so I'm gonna pull this off.
Okay.
It'll look better with the new molding.
No more cracked windshield, guys. Make sure you guys hit them up. They're in New Jersey, and they'll also come to you. He's working on my car now. He's about to put in that work for me. Such a relief, no more cracked windshield. Now my girlfriend can stop complaining. She gets so nervous when she's in the car with me. She's like, yo, this windshield's gonna shatter any day.
This is garbage.
Yeah.
So what we're doing is cutting the glue so we could get this glass out of the... Yeah, it's a little hard.
It's an 18-year-old glass right here.
Yeah, it's original. What's that? What tool that takes a lot? What's in there? So here we go. That's already off. You know how they do it in the movies? When they shoot it and kick it, that doesn't work because you know how much time it takes for me to get this cut it?
Yeah.
That would only work with the old cars like 60s, 50s, maybe 70s that's rope in with the rubber set. Those you could kick. These cars here, new cars, you'll never kick. Your foot will get stuck in it. Ever watch a Polar Express?
Yeah.
Not Polar Express.
Panda Express?
No,
Yeah.
the movie with the James Franco.
Yeah, Panda Express. That's with the weed.
Yeah. They were chasing in a, they were in a cop car and had to do the same thing. Your foot got stuck. That's the realistic way to look. That's the right way.
Yeah.
I don't know that. You don't do that. So you gotta guide it.
Sheesh.
It's a small windshield.
Yeah.
That's your windshield. Let's put it over there, get this mirror off.
Damn, son. Where's the front window? Front windshield. Fire. He's doing great work, man. Great work. Highly recommend it.
Old factory glue that has to come off so we could lay the new bead.
Yeah, that's coming out pretty smooth.
Yeah, this is... robot, the factory, so it will lay to the property.
So he just primed the glass. This is the new glass right here. That way the glue sticks and it, you know, doesn't come loose.
Yeah, if I don't prime this, the glue will not bond properly. It might just come off.
Okay.
So what you want to do is you also want to prime it. Ensure the good bond area like this. And then right here with the tool, I put a little scratch. You want to put a primer on it so it doesn't rust. And right here, glue came off all the way to the metal. This part here?
Yeah.
So you want to always prime that too. Get this primed. The glue that I use, it's a new glue on the market, Express 30. Dries in 30 minutes and ready for you to drive.
That's good.
One thing you always want to ask the glass installer when they do the job, what kind of glue you use. If they tell you they use Mach 60, tell them to shove it to you. You should say Mach 60. Because they'll tell you they use a Mach 60 and they'll use a Sika 220 which dries 24 hours. But they tell you could drive in 1 hour. When you drive, it slides, with the brake, it moves, shifts, and causes problems. You get in an accident, that thing flies out.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so we're going to apply the BB. Stand up so this way the glass has a better bond with the glass.
Okay.
With the glue. Go up. Nice and straight. Don't want to rush this part.
Yeah.
Just want to make sure it's nice and straight. And now, since we got everything off, we could just apply this glass right on top of the glue. Oh, hold on. Missed it. So it's under the hood over there, buddy.
He's also got back the inspection sticker for me. Cause you know I wasn't gonna pass with them test pipes. But shout out to him, man. He got it done for me. This was my biggest concern right there. Whew, and we're officially home. That front windshield though, no more crack. How do y'all feel about this? So I don't want to see no one else in my comment section talking about, Phil, fix your windshield. The windshield is now fixed. Now, before I end off this vlog or wherever I'm about to do next, I'm just letting you guys know I placed another purchase today for the S2000. And right now we're in the talks, me and my friends in our group chat. Like I said, if you guys didn't watch the video that I posted last night, it was pretty late. We're thinking about taking my boy's RSX that he talked about for the longest, about building, about fixing. You know, life happens, you know, things don't go as planned always, but I was trying to get everybody to put in and build his RSX for him and, you know, just keep his legacy going. So if you guys didn't watch the video from last night, my boy, he passed away on a motorcycle accident, well, in a motorcycle accident, and, you know, his life was cut short. And I'm just trying to think of some ways to continue his legacy and, you know, let him know that we still are here for him and he's not forgotten.